Hey friends, do you like unicorns? Because today we're going to learn how to make an origami unicorn head. You will need origami paper, or really any square paper, a pencil, and colored markers. If you have origami paper, begin by turning it over to the white side and then fold it in half like a triangle, like this. Open your paper back up and then turn it like a diamond in front of you and bring the top down to the center line. Make sure you crease that really well. Then fold the right side over like this. Notice that you'll fold it so that these two corners come to sharp points. Then you'll fold it the same way on the other side. Again, make sure that folding the left side resulted in these two corners coming to sharp points. Then you'll fold the top flap like this, creating a little triangle here. Then, make the same fold on the other side. You can carefully move the left flap out of the way while you do this. Notice that you're creating another triangle. Next, you'll lift the top flap and fold the top point down to this line. Then fold the bottom point up to that line, meeting at the center with the top point, and then fold it back down like this. Then you'll fold the right side at an angle, creating a point here. And notice that your fold ends here, it doesn't go all the way to the other corner. Then make the same fold on the opposite side. Turn your paper over, and now it's time to make the face of your unicorn. You can make a face like the one I'm drawing, or you can come up with your very own. Once you have everything drawn the way you want, you can darken your pencil lines if you'd like. Now it's time to add some color. What a magical unicorn! Nice job! Thanks for making a unicorn head with me today. I hope your unicorn turned out magically. Click subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.